Okay, so we're finally going to measure the 0 to 60 or 100 kilometers per hour time on the Tesla Model 3 Performance 2021. And I'm going to switch on the track mode for first time. So we go into vehicle settings, dynamics, track mode. We have some warnings and track mode. We can hear the fans going on. We can customize it. So let's leave it like this for now, and we're going to the test track.
Niż направим два старта, то чак как искаш да
So we have the measurement equipment. So let's just check the software update. Track mode, 30%. Let's leave everything on the default values and activate track mode. This should activate some additional cooling or heating of the drivetrain. This noise is only available here. Battery. Okay, let's try without track mode.
You didn't stop to zero.
Ah. Maybe that's the 77%.
Just make a full stop.
Not like there's something like launch control.
No.
Yes. Okay, full stop. Yeah, 3.78 with 80% battery. Tüülü 5.
Yeah.
Kas simple.